Are you a Bitcoin or Ethereum holder looking for fast liquidity without selling your precious assets? Welcome to the smarter way to borrow. Traditional banks can take weeks for approval, and selling your crypto means missing out on future gains. It's a frustrating trade-off. Whether it's for an urgent business expansion, a new home, or unexpected expenses, waiting isn't always an option. That's where OmniLender comes in. We offer instant, blockchain-powered funding solutions designed for the modern digital economy. Visit OmniLender.org and explore your loan options. Our platform is built for speed, transparency, and ease of use. From personal and business loans to home and education financing, eligible users can access funds faster than traditional processes. Simply use your BTC or ETH as collateral. You borrow against your portfolio value without ever having to liquidate your position. Applying takes just minutes. Our automated system ensures fast approval for eligible borrowers, getting you the cash you need when you need it. We believe in total transparency. With OmniLender, there are no hidden fee surprises, just clear, fair terms tailored to your needs. Enjoy flexible repayment options. Terms may vary based on eligibility, but we prioritize giving you the control to borrow responsibly. Our business-backed loans are perfect for scaling your operations without compromising your long-term crypto strategy. Dreaming of a new home or car? Use your crypto wealth to secure the financing today while keeping your HODL status intact. Security is our priority. We use industry-leading encryption and secure smart contracts to protect your assets and privacy. We focus on responsible borrowing. Explore your options safely with a platform that values integrity and your financial future. Visit OmniLender.org today and discover a smarter way to access funds with OmniLender. Your future, powered by your crypto. OmniLender. Smart loans for a smart future. Apply now.